In this video, we will see how you can animate a still photo in Canva, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. Open Canva and add the image that you want to animate. Select the image and click on Edit Image. On the left, click here on Magic Grab. Select Brush. You can adjust the brush size and then select the object that you want to animate. After selecting, click on Grab. Increase the dimensions of this image holder. Keeping the object selected, click Animate. Scroll below and select Photo Zoom. The object is moving backwards, so select in here. The wheels are getting cropped, so I will increase the dimensions again. Let's see again. The animation is good. You can increase the scale as well. Now select the background. It is moving backwards, increase the scale. Our animated photo is ready. To view the animation, click here on Play. You can use this method to animate different objects with different animation styles. If you want to know how to make cartoon-like animated videos using Canva for free, then you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.